start running on it.
I'll take something else. What you find on today? Sounds pretty damn good, don't it?
Yeah.
Sounds pretty good. Got a little bit.
Start idling and everything there.
You guys run pretty fast.
He'll die.
Huh?
He'll die until you warm it up good. Once you get it warmed up good, it'll die.
You drove it up the road?
Yeah. The smoke coming out.
Oh, yeah.
Now, I'll tell you, Carl, I need the carburetor rebuilt on it.
Yeah, it's
Man, mechanic told me there's
a
carburetor.
line right under there. It wasn't.
Huh?
It's running rich. That's why it smokes.
Where did you, where's the line that you found off?
It's underneath this. It went into the carburetor.
Underneath the carburetor?
Yeah. But I get it started, but it run. I poured a little gas and started, and he'll lick too quick.
No, you're not good. It's going running good.
Put that line on there, and it
Ah.
line on there and took off. I lost the top. What do I do? I had it on there.
You guys running pretty far, ain't you? You guys running pretty
Best
far.
I've heard it running a long time.
Well, yeah. You guys run pretty far.
It'll pull itself, but it warms up and sits in line.
Yeah, you guys sound pretty good. I know you guys run pretty good.
Yeah?
Guys run very nice, man.
You get that thing running, that'd be a good vehicle. Get that motor going.
Good vehicle, Brian.
Body's good on it, ain't it? Good power.
Pretty good. It's got the rough spots.
Oh, you guys run pretty far. Very nice, fucking
It takes forever for the carburetor to open up.
Huh?
It takes a lot. Get out of it.
Well, I tell you what, that boy, that real brother on the carburetor told me, he said that carburetor needs overhauling or replaced on the carburetor on it.
You get it adjusted right, it'll be all right. It needs to be adjusted a little bit, but it's running too rich right now.